Hello friends, and welcome to this video as we look at data visualization with Power BI. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create a stacked area chart. My name is Mercy Consolata Keller. Let's get started. So how do we create a stacked area chart in Power BI? Easy. So once you have your canvas, come over to the visualization pane and then select stacked area chart. Once you have it on the canvas, come over to the data pane, and then we are interested in our x-axis being the date, and for the date we are specifically interested in the day. Next, we want a y-axis value, so we're interested in looking at speed of answer, and we want to look at it in terms of the average, so select average. Lastly, we are interested in varying these two data values by the agent, so come and choose agent. This is what it has given you. Now you can come over to the filter pane where you can make modifications. So say we want to look at the agent's data on the female. You come over and you can select these boxes on your left hand side. So females, there's Becky, we have Diane. If we scroll down, we have Martha. So that is it. You have created your stacked area chart basically already. Now for some basic formatting, you cross over here to format your visual, and then we want to look at the x-axis values. We make it bold, increase it to 10, the font size, change the font color to black. And for the title, make it bold, and if you want it to appear, you leave it on. If you don't want it, you can just turn it off. I do not want it, so it's off. Next, let's look at our y-axis. For the y-axis, we want the same thing. Values should be bold, increase the font size to 10, change the font color here to black. Next, we look at the y-axis title, make it bold, that will do. Next, let's look at our legend. So for the legend, I want the text values to be modified. Let's make the values bold, increase font size to 11, change the font color to black. And then I want to get rid of the grid lines. So turn that off, turn this off as well. Things are looking great. So let's now cross over to general, make modifications to the main title. So under title, we make it bold. We can place it in the center, right? That looks fine. And then we can go ahead and add a border to the chart. So we can come to effects, then visual border, turn it on. And once we open the visual border, we can increase the width of the borders. So let's go with the 3. That's about it. Now there are some few other modifications you can make to your chart if you're interested. Here I'll just look at how you can modify the colors if you're interested in that, and maybe the line types. So I can scroll down to lines, right? And then I have shape. There's the line style, join type, and the rest. Line type is linear. If we change this to say smooth, or we can select step, that's what you have. You can also make modifications to the color. If you don't want the colors that Power BI has given you by default, you can change. Say we want Martha to have yellow, so we can choose this yellow. And then say we want Becky to appear in red, so red for Becky. So that would be your values. So in this video, you have learned how to create a stacked area chart. If you've enjoyed the content, please give the video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so that you're updated on new videos once they're released. Thank you and happy learning.